Hey guys, this is cat number 5 Ian here. We're gonna take a video of this 2006 Broan exhaust fan. And the switch is right here. This turns on the light. Here, I'll show you. Turns on the light. This turns on the fan. So here we go. As you can see, and this when this pops up, this is for the light bulb here. It's for the light. So it's an energy saver bulb here. So yeah, it's pretty neat. This was here with the apartment when we moved here. It rattles a lot. Can't see through the vents, but I should probably shut the light off. Yeah, the light. Maybe not the kids. Well, yeah. There's a lot of dust on this thing. See, it says Broan up there. It's probably upside down. Anyway, I thought this would be a little easier. I'll show you the cover. So it's just the cover. This is Broan right there. That's where you put the light. That's the light bulb. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment, subscribe, and out. Ta-ta for now.